Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be talking to you about the Evolution D5 Maverick 2+2. Now, Evolution comes out with a couple of different carts, but one of my favorite ones is the Evolution D5 Maverick because there's a couple different things going on with this cart. As you can see, it is a completely beautiful cart. There's nothing going on, nothing going wrong with this cart. A couple of things, that this one has a brush guard on it. It's got all-terrain tires, so if you're going over any grass, mud, anything that could be weird, these tires are going to handle it no problem. This cart has a 3-inch lift kit in it, so it might be a little bit taller up there, but not to worry. They got the steps to get right up in there, and you'll be just fine. And now, along with all the other Evolution carts, this one will have your soundbar, your touchscreen, everything you need to make it amazing. I'll actually invite the camera over here so you can see. This screen is a little bit different than the classic one. This one's going to say your state of charge on it, your miles per hour. You got FM radio, Bluetooth music. You can download pictures, different music, movies, all sorts of stuff on it. This car is also street ready, meaning you're going to have blinkers, you're going to have mirrors, you're going to have brake lights, horn, all 9 yards. This car also has a pedestrian noise box, which you can turn off and on with just this little mute switch here. And basically what the pedestrian noise box is if you're going in 25 miles an hour, cruising down, it just basically would allow people to hear you flying, because at night, I mean, these things are cruising, it's hard to hear. So also, if we go to the back seat, this seat will fold down, it doubles up. You could have 4 seats, or you could have a little utility bed with a fantastic storage. I've never seen a golf cart with this much storage in here. If you open this up, you could fit all sorts of stuff in there, no problem. You're going to have the cord right in there. That's your charger. It's just like plugging in your iPhone, guys. You just plug it into the wall, and then you plug it straight into the cart, back here by where your feet would go if you're sitting into it. This cart also has automatic parking. So if you come to a stop, you're going to hear a little click. That means that the brakes kicked in, and you don't have to worry about that big pushing brake anymore. That's gone. It's automatic, so you won't be able to roll anywhere on this thing if you go on a hill. It's a fantastic cart. We got the 2025s coming out. Again, we have multiple different Evolution colors, but if you don't like any of those colors, we'll custom one for you. Again, this is Ethan Wilson from Winters Recreation. If you have any further questions, contact us below. We would love to help you get in the cart that you love.